Okay, the last class I will teach you this concept. I will teach you, that is the up to help I will teach you. So this class I will teach you, so listen carefully. So standard toolbar, next I will teach you standard toolbar. The standard toolbar, see here, the standard toolbar, it is a standard toolbar. Then what is this formatting toolbar is having? Okay, first standard toolbar, after formatting toolbar is having. Okay, see here, this toolbar name standard toolbar. So this standard toolbar, what and all icon is there? See here, new, then folder open, save, then edit purpose, all the things is there. Cut, copy, paste, all the things is there. See, cut, copy, paste, brush tool, so many tool is there. Find and replace tool is there. See here, find and replace, then so many tool is there. So this toolbar is a below for menu bar. Menu bar, file, new, file, edit, insert, view, so many things is there. No, see here, see, listen, this is what menu bar. See here, this is called to what menu bar. See here, this is called to menu bar. First title bar below menu bar. Okay, this menu bar below for standard toolbar. Okay, this standard toolbar, see here, there are a many shortcut icons there. See here, like cut icon, paste icon, undo, redo, so many toolbar is having. Okay, the formatting toolbar is below for standard toolbar. Standard toolbar below la, that is what is this formatting toolbar. So formatting toolbar, what and all is there means, see here, font type, font default, font size, bold, italic, underline, alignment, so many bullets icon, so many icon is having. See here, each and everything here is there. Color, all the fill color, highlight color, so many things is there. Just elaborately is there in before, that is after chapters. Okay, next what I teach you means, that is what ruler. The below bar, that is the menu, that is a formatting toolbar below, that is what is a ruler is having. This ruler is a horizontal ruler. There are two types of ruler is there. That is a, this side also ruler is there, this side also ruler is there. Okay, there are here two types of ruler is having. Okay, horizontal ruler, then vertical ruler. Okay, horizontal ruler, left right margins you can set. Vertical ruler, top and bottom ruler we can change. So this is here vertical ruler, top and bottom settings. Then horizontal ruler, left and right margin you can setting. That is a page setting. Okay, students, now I will teach you, that is the next, what is this workspace. Workspace means what? That is a blank area, one white color paper is there, no, that is called to what? Workspace area. Okay, workspace area. That workspace area, one dark flash bar one is there. See here, dark flash bar is there. See, this like is there. See here, this like is having one dark. Okay, see here, this like one bar is having. That bar is a insertion pointer. That bar is called insertion pointer. See here, insertion pointer. That insertion pointer, what is using means, if you typing the letters means, that letter inside will come. Okay, the inside also will coming so many letters. Okay, thank you students. Next topic I will teach you. See here, status bar. What is this status bar? Status bar means what? That is this vertical, this is a horizontal ruler bar. See here, this is a horizontal ruler bar, vertical ruler bar, working space area downside status bar is there. Okay, that is a, what does that means? This is what is using means, see here, this bar bottom of the window, this current status of the document. What is the display in this bar means, number of pages, current page's default language. So each and everything you can display. Okay, that is called to status bar. That is for status bar. Okay, next I will teach you entering the text. So entering the text, next heading I will teach you entering the text. Entering the text, that entering the text, what does it means? Once a new document is opened, the text typed in the blank area on the screen. Okay, the create the user typing whatever straight line or whatever it is. Okay, that is a insertion pointer. What is it? The flash vertical bar is called to insertion pointer. Insertion pointer, sir. That is a one line you can complete it, sir. One line you can complete it means the edge of the line will go to the insertion pointer, means again you can typing means automatically you can wrap the text in the next line. See here, that is a word wrap, that is called to word wrap. Sir, in case I will 2 words you can type, after this sentence you can finish, that paragraph you can finish means you can enter key press means next line will come. Okay, next line will come, that is a enter key, that is using for the enter key. Okay, the blank line also you want means enter key means that is automatically will come to one blank line will come. Okay, okay, good. So next I will teach you see here, next I will teach you, that is what is this, moving the document. What is the moving the documents? That is a moving means what? That is the instruction pointer. You go to one letter you can moving, one word you can moving, one line you can moving. How to you can move that means this is a table is having. So this table very important. So listen carefully. Okay, the first one I will teach you. So listen carefully. See, left the keyboard, that is a 4 arrows is having, no left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow is there, no left arrow you can press, right arrow press means that is what is this, to move a character right, one character you can move to the right side, that is a one letter, that is a character. Okay, sir, left side or character move pannuna, left arrow you can press. Okay, left arrow you can press. Sir, next I will teach you, next one line you can move up means up arrow you can press means up line will going the cursor, is not cursor, insertion pointer. Okay, sir, next what is this, one line down means down arrow you can press means down arrow you can press. Okay, sir, these and all is easy, sir, already I know that. That is a, I want one word means, see here, this document is there. See here, this document is there. This document many word is there on the screen and the flashing vertical bar. That is each and every word is there, no. So cursor you can waiting there. Cursor here is there. Flashing is there. I will go to vertical line means how do you can go? Just you can control plus right arrow. Control key is there in keyboard, no. Control you can hold, then right arrow you can press means the cursor will jump for vertical word. The vertical is there, no. This vertical area will come. Okay, sir, again my cursor I want flashing means what is this? That is a control left arrow press means again flashing will come. That is using for control plus one word move to the cursor, one word move to the left, that is using for control key. Okay, sir, next this is okay, to this is okay. Control plus up arrow down arrow means one paragraph up, one paragraph down. Control plus up arrow means one paragraph before means up side will going, that is the insertion pointer move to the here. So cursor இங்கே இருக்கு அப்படினா இந்த paragraphக்கு போகும். In case down side வேணும்னா இந்த cursor down side will go. Okay, that is called to control up arrow, control down arrow. Okay, good. Sir, this is also is okay. Next, home key, end key is there in keyboard. Home key you can press means in case my cursor here is there means my cursor come to before means home key you can press means the beginning of the line will come. Here to here, here to here will come. Okay, here to here will come. So this cursor I want here to here will going means control end key press means end line will come. So that is what that is a this line this in this end to this end, this end to this end. That is called to what? That is a control plus end. Next what is this? Control plus end. Control plus home. Control plus home means beginning of the document. For example, you have here one document. That document 100 pages there. 100 pages there means first line you can edit means how to you can go. Sorry, okay. First line I don't want. 100th page, the last word will be changed means what will do? You come to down arrow press means 100th page will come. Suddenly will go means what is this? That is a control plus end. Control plus end means the end of the document will going. The 100th page will go to the cursor. Okay, sir, control plus home means beginning of the document will come. Beginning of the document will come. Okay, beginning of the document will come. Okay, sir, next I will teach you. That is what is this? Tab key, shift plus tab. In case you have your document table is there means table for this. Right side you can means tab key you can press means right side will going the cursor. In case you want forward means that is a backward means see here that is a shift plus tab. Shift plus tab. So that is a table. This table definitely one mark will come. Okay, sir. Okay, this is a shift key and tab key you can use. Okay, page up, page down. Page up, page down means one screen up, one screen down. One screen down means உன்னுடைய மானிட்டரில் இருக்குது தெரியுமா ஸ்க்ரீன் அந்த ஸ்க்ரீன் மட்டும் தான் அப் சைட் மூவ் ஆகும். அப்படின்னா அப் ஏரோ யூ கேன் ப்ரெஸ். டவுன் சைடு ஒன் ஸ்க்ரீன் யூ கேன் ப்ரெஸ் மீன்ஸ் டவுன் ஏரோ யூ கேன். ஒன் ஸ்க்ரீன் ஏரியா அந்த ஸ்க்ரீனில் இருக்கிற லெட்டர்ஸ் மட்டும் தெரியாது. தெரியாது அப்படின்னா ஸ்க்ரீன் அப் கொடுத்தனே என்னாகும்? ஸோ இப்போ இருக்கிற கரண்ட் ஸ்க்ரீன் என்னாகும்? அப்படியே மேலே போயிடும். கீழே இருக்கிற ஸ்க்ரீன் மேலே வரும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஏ யூசஸ். Okay, that is a users. Okay, thank you students. So this is a moving the cursor within a document. Moving the cursor means instruction pointer. Okay, instruction pointer. Okay, next I will teach you saving document. What is this? Saving document. See here, saving document means what is this? After typing over means what will do? Save. File save. That is a file save or file save as or control plus yes. There are a three method is having. That is a save. Okay, save as or control plus yes means so this dialog box will appear in your screen. Okay, this dialog box what and all is there. So this is a here right side is a directory is there. This is a folder is there. This is a file name is there. This is a save button is there. Okay, this is a so that is a 4 method is having in 4 steps of saving process is there. The first method saving the location. எங்க save பண்ணனும்? Which place you can save your file? D colon directory if you choose. After that what? First step file save. Next step you can appear in the screen. Next you can location you can select. Location means directory or folder. Whatever folder you can save, whatever directory you can save, just you can select, then folder you can select. After that enter the file name. Okay, after that the file name downside, see here downside save type is there. See here, save type is there. Save type, different type is having. PDF is there, Microsoft Word is there, OpenOffice is there, so many document is there. So you can this see here, this is one arrow is there, this arrow you can click, that means so many file type will come, or text file, or Windows file, or Microsoft Word, or PDF, whatever it is you can save. PDF you can select, means your file PDF converter file type, so that is using. Okay, so next what we'll do, see here, next I will teach you, that is a save button you can click. Save button, if you click, means your file saved. Okay, your files you can save, means the document name display in the title bar. Title bar la display ஆகும். So title bar இருக்கு, menu bar இருக்கு, standard toolbar இருக்கு, formatting toolbar இருக்கு, then ruler is there. Top of the bar what is this? Title bar. அந்த title barல என்ன save file name கொடுத்தியோ அந்த file name அங்க display ஆகும். So அதுதான் என்னது title bar உடைய uses. Okay, good. So next I will teach you, see here, closing document. What is this? Closing document. Sir, closing document, before I will teach you saving with password. With password, how to select, that means, see here. Here one box is having. See here. Here on two boxes having, no. Saving with password you can select, that means, so this like one windows will come. This like one window will come. So this like one window will come. So saving password means to open, enter the password to open. Confirm your password 2 times you can press. After you can okay you can press, means your file you can save with password. That in case of that file you can open, means the password you can type, after that your information you can show, you can display. Okay, that is using for the password. The password, it is a very easy. The first password you can type, second password is a confirm, means same password you can type. In case letter will be changed, the password you didn't accept. Okay, this is used for password. Okay, password set in your files. Okay, next I will teach you, see, enter password, then what is it? See here, enter password, then confirm password. More option button you can provide, means some features you had protected in your document. Read only and change the password. In case உன்னுடைய பாஸ்வேர்டை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும்னு நினச்சேன்னா மோர் ஆப்ஷனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க இருப்பார். மோர் ஆப்ஷனை கிளிக் பண்ணினா ஸோ சம் சேஞ்சஸ், அந்த டாக்குமெண்ட்டை ரீட் பண்ண மட்டும்தான் முடியும், அதை வந்து எடிட் பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சம் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இஸ் ஹேவிங். ஓகே, சம் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இஸ் ஹேவிங். Okay, that is using for the passwords, password setting. Okay, next how to close file. Closing the documents, how to close file. Close or control plus W press, means your document you can close. Okay, closing unsaved document means, in case closed control in case not you save your files, means this dialog box you can appear. If you save means save. இப்போ அந்த ஃபைல் எனக்கு வேணாம் சார் அப்படின்னா டிஸ்கார்ட் கொடுத்துட்டு வெளியே டிஸ்கார்ட் ஆகிடும். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் சேவ் டிஸ்கார்ட் அண்ட் சேவ் ஃபைல்ஸ் யூ கேன் யூஸ்ட். ஓகே, next what is this? Open a existing document. How to existing document open? File open or control plus O or open icon. Okay, that is using C control icons. See here, I will teach you. So control plus O, I will shortcut will open, means so this like one dialog box will come. Which directory you can open, which folder you can inside your file is this, you can select open that. After your file name you can click After click open means your file you can opened. So that is, this is called opening method. This is a opening method. Okay, next topic, Tamil typing interface. Tamil typing interface, different method is there. Using Tamil font, using Tamil interface. Okay, Tamil font means download. Download means files will display. Okay, this is the first method. Okay, so next what is this? In case file is download பண்ணணும் சார், டவுன்லோட் பண்ணனா என்ன ஆகும்? See, download பண்ணினா download ஆகும். Unicode, Airlight. So this like you can command is there. Okay, it does not support in other language also, English also. Okay, see here some drawback. The user must be aware Tamil typing. The particularly font what is this? Font available in the system. It does not support that language including Tamil. The computer accept in the character in the things. Okay, so these and all is a drawback. So this is a overcome means that is using for Arial Unicode. Arial Unicode you can open means each and everything you can interface and provide the following advantage. Okay, Unicode techniques. Hence the knowledge of Tamil typewriting is not necessary. Okay, this is here Unicode means that is a easily you can type the Tamil in any word processor. Okay, that is a Tanglish type பண்ணா தமிழ்ல வரும். So அதுதான் என்னது advantage of software is having. Okay, good. Next what is this? Next this word how to open. This is see here the software how to open. Download in the Tamil typewriting interface how to open. That means there is a two link is there. That is a Murasu then link, then NHM Writer. Two software is open source software, this and all. Okay, open source means if you open in net is having means you can open and install. Install means so this like this two things it is a open source software. If you download after install means that Tamil software you can accept in your word processor. Okay, okay. Next class I will teach you editing the documents. Editing means what? Cut, paste, copy, find and replace. Okay, these are all the things next class I will teach you. Okay, thank you.